I'm not talking about the color of the walls in your house or your car or your clothes. I'm talking about the color of the food you eat. A colorful diet is a part of staying well because many nutrients are color. Eating a wide variety of fruits and vegetables provides your body with diverse chemistry it needs to heal itself and stay well. Color, taste, and smell keep you well, and that's what you get with that.
Start now by going to balanceofnature.com and don't forget to use discount code FOXY.
On Earth, we need it to make solar power, cars, electronics, batteries. Because this is an outside of genocide, demand skyrocketed.
Now that's what we're talking about. Yeah. Tonight we're gonna draw top comedian and the year 21X's best comedian. Tonight we're finally gonna draw Joe Cuppa. With every joke that he tells, it fires a huge coffee cannon blaster. A huge fist that I often call punchlines, or at least what he calls punchlines. By I mean him. This guy's a Hollywood hero. And finished. That's how you draw Joe Cuppa. That's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later. Hey yo!